Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you want to go camping, but you don't want to be glamping. You want to have something that's going to keep you warm and dry. You want to be able to sleep in it because you're an outdoorsy person. You like to get out, go biking, hiking, do everything outdoors. But you don't want to be in a tent. I know I don't want to be in a tent. You want to have something that has a few more creature comforts, but you don't need a big, massive trailer. You want to be able to park it in your garage, store it away, tow it with the vehicle you own. You don't want to be driving a big pickup truck. Well, do I have something for you? This is the Aliner Scout Lite. Yes, Scout Lite. Tongue weight of 164 pounds. Dry weight of 1,283 pounds. That's right, I said 1,283 pounds. You have a small SUV, a minivan, small vehicle. There's a bunch of cars that can tow this because they have 1,800 pound tow ratings. You can get out, get camping, get up off the ground, stay dry, stay warm, and enjoy the camping season. What's nice with this unit is it's a small box, folds in compact, allows you to tow easily. Why easily? Because it's about wind resistance when you're towing, not only weight. Wind resistance at high speeds creates more towing issues than the weight can, because it's pushing that wind, causing your vehicle to work harder. Aliner solves that problem. This A-frame trailer drops down, is compact, and is just a little higher than that belt line that you see. So it reduces that wind resistance, because now your tow vehicle, in most cases, is the same height or taller than the trailer when you're traveling down the road. So if you want to be a little different, you want to have something that's going to give you those comforts, maybe it's a Scout Lite. Let's take a look at this. Now, we are in Elkhart, Indiana at the dealer show where they're showcasing all these 2026 units. So thank you to Aliner for giving us access to this. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I have done several Aliner videos in the past because they're a nice, unique unit, and there's something a lot of people don't think about. So first of all, you have a dinette area here. Nice wide dinette. You can see that table's a good size table. There's a little holding area so it's not bouncing around on you. Plus, this area converts into sleeping. As we pivot around, a little favorite item of mine. I don't like to be hot. I don't like to sweat in the really warm weather. So you want to sleep at night? Here's our air conditioner. If you're in a campground or you're bringing a portable generator with you, you can run the AC and sleep really comfortably. If it's just you, you can just use this bed on this side. And that can be a multifunction sofa to sit up and read. You can lounge, or it can be your bed, not having to convert the dinette. Or if you're like in my family, my wife doesn't want to climb over me in a bed. So one of us can sleep on the dinette side, one of us can sleep on the sofa side, and neither person is climbing over the other in the middle of the night. Now let's look at some of the amenities that you get here. You do have a sink. You have a fridge down here. So it's a decent little fridge to keep some food and to keep some drinks. You can always bring an additional portable cooler or freezer with you, which is nice because you can keep that in your tow vehicle if you wanted for long trips. Now down here we have some storage where the AC is, and down below we have some storage as well. And of course, when you're traveling, you can put some gear down here as well, because it's down below where everything folds. Now, I'm 5'9" around, and you're gonna see I'm nowhere near the top of them. There's a high volume fan as well to move air if you don't want to run your AC or you're not bringing a generator along. And there is a solar panel hookup outside to help provide a bit of power. So for a unit that is small, lightweight, it's a great little unit to be able to get out, not going to kill the budget, allow you to save some money by not paying for that storage, and just get out and enjoy the RV lifestyle. Get off the beaten path if you want. So this is the Scout Lite by Aliner. Hey everyone, we have a little treat for you today, and I'm going to post this into several of the Aliner videos so you can see how easy it is to set up and tear down an Aliner trailer. So Chuck is with us here from Aliner. He's been gracious enough to do it, and we thought since they've already got one set up, it's going to get torn down and then put back up so you can see how simple and easy, and most importantly, how super quick it is, so that you can enjoy your camping experience. Thank you, Chuck. I'm going to turn it over to you and go right ahead.
Sounds great. Yeah, this is our Ranger 12. This unit comes in under 1,700 pounds with a hitch weight of 178. Typical Aliner literally folds up and down in less than a minute both ways, so we'll show you how that works. When you come inside, you basically make sure everything is below the hinge line on either side, so your stovetop's down, faucet's down, cushions are folded down. There's two latches that secure each side wall. I always start in the back first because it's easiest to reach them that way. When the second latch comes out, the first wall comes down and it's super light, one hand light. Last latch on this side and the top half of the door on latches. It folds in right while you stand in the doorway. Give a little push on the front roof panel to release the rear one evenly. Step out and close both halves of your door. And then you just grab your rear roof panel, pull it down. You got one road latch on each side and you're ready to roll.
That's fantastic, super easy.
You can see the awesome super low profile while you're towing, so you can see over and around the vehicle. Garageable if you live in a homeowners association area. And then all four corners have springs built into it, so the roof panel kind of starts to assist itself up. Push it until it locks in. There's a channel built into the front roof panel where the rear one locks into that, so it's capped and sealed for weather. The wall's up. Latch them into place and you're ready to camp.
And just for those of you that aren't maybe watching the time clock, that I was watching the time clock while filming, and that was about 25 seconds to put your Aliner together. And now you could break out the barbecue and start having some lunch.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Chuck. I really appreciate that, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out all our other Aliner videos. Get out to your local dealer and find the unit that works for you. Thanks, guys. Take care.